YouTube. So I got some unboxings on here for you guys today. I got this BooHoo unboxing that we're gonna do, along with these right here, the LeBron 18s. So let's just get right into it. So this is just kind of an unboxing. These are the LeBron 18s. I have worn these, so they do fit a little snug. So if you're gonna get them, I would suggest probably getting a size, half size too big. But yeah, these are pretty dope, you know. I do like them. I got a lot of compliments when I wore them out this weekend. But these are LeBron 18s. They have them in purple and like white and a couple other colors, but I really liked this color. And the shoe does look a lot better in person than it does on camera or even online. The next one I'm excited to do is, let me know if you guys want me to do a more in-depth review on these. The next one we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing from BooHoo. I'm really excited about this. I hope I'm saying that right. But I'm really excited about this one. So let's just get right on into it here. So the first thing I got is a tracksuit. This is, hope you guys can see it, but it's a tracksuit. BooHoo. I don't know if that's quite gonna fit me, but if not, we'll have to take that. I guess we'll have to send it back, Candace, or take it back. And I also picked up this jacket. Now this is a jacket for some rapper. I just thought it was cool. You know, I just thought it was a cool jacket. I think it'll go good with these shoes here. So I got these here pants. Because I think these pants will go really well. Well, I think these pants are going to have to go back, guys. But we'll see. But I think they'll go pretty good with those shoes. Now, what I'm most excited about are these. I saw these on the website, and I thought these are pretty dope. Maybe you'll kind of see why I bought the tracksuit when you see these. I thought these were pretty cool shoes, you know. They do come with an extra set of shoelaces. Got that baby blue, so you can put baby blue on there if you choose to. But yeah, this is my haul. I'll do another video guys where I try some of this stuff on, let you know if it fits, doesn't fit. But yeah, that is my video for now.